What's up, y'all? It's your girl Jasanya here. I'm about to show y'all how I got this real cute summery look with this wig that I ordered from AliExpress from a vendor on there called RULINDA Hair. Okay, so I did just get out of the shower. I co-washed my hair. I used the coconut co-wash. So I haven't done anything to my hair yet. I'm going to put 2 braids in my hair and then put the wig cap on and then show you guys how I'm going to put the wig on. I didn't really want to braid my hair myself, so now I'm just going to tell you why. I just got my nails done today because, you know, tomorrow is my first Mother's Day. So, of course, you know, I have to be real fine. But my nails are like the bomb. And I didn't want to mess them up, so my braids are really loose. So now I'm just going to be opening the box and I'm going to be telling you a few specs of the hair. The box that the hair came in, it is, again, it's called RULINDA Hair. I ordered it on AliExpress. They have all of their contact information back here. So I ordered a wig, 20 inches, deep waves. Brazilian Deep wave. So came in the box, came in this Ziploc bag. Open the bag up. I'm living my best life. Yeah. So came inside of a net, and so this is the hair. Like I said, it's 20 inches. This is the inside of it. So they said that they pre-plucked it and they said that the knots were bleached. I'm not going to bleach the knots. Not today, at least. If I see that they need to be bleached, I will bleach. Wig cap, 2 of them. I don't know which ones I'm going to use. I have the tan one, I have a brown one, and I have a black one. Personally, when I normally do closures, I do go with black. When I put the black on, I don't know, it kind of gives it like a real scalp looking, you know, effect to it, especially because when it stretches out, you can see in between. It's like see-through when it stretches out, so it's like, you know, like kind of like a mesh thing. So it works. I don't know if it's going to work for this frontal though, so I don't know if I'm going to. This is too much stuff right here. So I don't know if I'm going to use the black one or the brown one or the tan one. We shall see. They also sent some lashes. I don't wear lashes. I've only worn lashes twice before in my life, and that was for prom and my 18th birthday. I am 24 years old, so it's been a while. These are the other caps that I have. So I did go ahead with the black one. Now I'm just going to be actually putting the wig on. All I'm doing right now is applying water to the wig. Now I'm just going to start plucking the wig. Honestly, plucking is like my least favorite part. I absolutely hate plucking. I wish that wigs came with parts that were natural widths. I don't think anybody's part is as thin as they come, so I hate this part. Okay, so right here, you're just going to see me playing around with the hair. I changed my mind from wanting the middle part, so I am going to do a side flip over type style. So I'm just going to continue to play with that, and then I'm going to be showing you the products that I use to actually style the hair. So right here, you're just gonna see me doing my edges. I am gonna be using a Gorilla Snot Gel. Now I'm going to be using Eco Styler Gel, and this is just going to help define the curls. If you like it, go ahead and comment, and then thumbs up this video down below. Also, if you have any questions, if you would like me to show you a little bit more, go ahead and comment that down below as well. So go ahead and subscribe, because you will be seeing me a lot more. But yeah, so I think I'm, a fine mama.